Hey.
Oh, hello.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming through. That was all the drama. Thank you for coming through. We are headed to either Heimville or Underberg. Yes. It should be hopefully like an hour drive. This is our weekly
expedition.
What
is it? Excursion.
Excursion. That was the word I think I was going for. Yeah, so it's our weekly excursion. It's a nice, beautiful day. It's not too cold. Sun is blazing, I'd say.
Yeah, but the air's definitely colder than it was last week.
Yes, we're definitely moving into winter. So that's fun. Hey, buddy. So it's just gonna be a working day.
Yeah, we've got some grocery shopping to do. Got to get electricity for the house.
Yeah, a few things to pick up.
Should be good fun. Be nice to get out, see. We haven't actually stopped in Heimville or Underberg properly before.
Yes.
Last time, well, not last time we were here, when we were here in December for Christmas, we drove through there and saw some places we wanted to go to. So we're going to try and check them out today.
Yes.
Guys, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, let's do this week.
See you soon.
Bye. Well, let's go. Hey bear.
Hello.
How's your food?
Fantastic. Whoever came up with the recipe for the batter on the fish was a living genius. Salad's good. I'm very picky with salads.
You're
Chips
very
are also
picky on
good.
salad.
Can't beat it. Good price as well. And your curry looks incredible.
Papadum. All the good things. Where are we currently, darling?
We are at the Stonehouse Kitchen in Heimville. Enjoying great food, great company. The people here are lovely.
Yeah, really sweet.
There's a cute little dog in here as well. Who's chilling, walking around, working today. Feels proper peaceful. What a blessing.
I'm editing this week's video, so it should go up sometime soon. So yeah, yay. Ooh, oh, not car though.
It's my best David Attenborough impression. You have to. Oh,
Oh
we've got
my
the dogs.
word.
No, let's say playing games with the cows.
Playing games with the cows.
Well, I did appreciate Timon keeping these two fighting ones away from our car. That was pretty helpful. We go and see the cows.
Okay. Hi beautiful people. It is Wednesday and we have some visitors that you would have seen. Hopefully they won't be fighting again because it's very awkward and scary, and obviously we can't stop cows from being cows. Fighting cows. I don't know if I want to go close to them after that. Also, please excuse my remedy for my pimple. I know a whole lot of people are like, don't put toothpaste on your pimples. I'm like,
That's me.
it works.
People, it doesn't work.
It works. See me tomorrow.
Tell us in the comments,
Catch me
people,
tomorrow.
if it works. Do you put toothpaste on your blemishes? Just
Or
wait
no.
for the skin doctors to come through and give you a lecture.
It works, dude. It works so. It usually works overnight, but I'm like, I'm not seeing anyone today, or any day really. So let me just put it on. We're gonna give a young life update because there's a lot going on, boo. Honey, darling. Where do we start?
I'm leaving the country in 2 weeks.
Seth is leaving the country in 2 weeks. He has just booked his flight back to the UK. I have just submitted my application for my visitor's visa, and now I'm working on just sending my documentation and then I'll have my visa appointment on the 13th of June, where I'll submit my passports, do my biometrics, those details, and then we'll wait minimum of 15 days to hear back from them. So yeah, I'm just hoping for the best. I mean, 98% of you are family and friends, so if you could please pray for us, specifically that my visa gets approved. Because I was there recently, it's like, is that going to be a train smash or not? But I really need to be there because we're obviously planning our lives, and
yeah, we don't want to spend 6 months apart.
Don't want to spend 6 months apart.
So I basically need to go to the UK to get 6 months of pay slips to be able to, over a certain amount of money, need to do that to then in January help Dimple apply for her spousal visa as her sponsor.
Yes.
And then that will be a 3 to 6 month waiting time where we'll be apart for that time next year.
We are going on a date.
Oh, he's crossing the river. There he is. Skillful, man. Look at that. See you, mate. Feel free to come back and say hello sometime.
Mr. Watr, Mary.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
We just got the last one crossing the river.
Me again. Hi. We're at the AidShunn Nature Reserve, which is where we were when we had the braai at my birthday weekend. I was going to say lunch, but it was definitely not a lunch. So yeah, this is where the same place where the water is that we're going to show you just now, that we were at last week. And then yeah, so we're just going to chill. We've got some wine, all the good stuff, some chips, snacks, picnic blanket. And if we're going to use a picnic blanket because it's very rocky, but yeah, let's do the things. Yay! It here, genuinely, like the water's gone down now. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's gone down, so it's so cool to see the difference in what it was and what it is. It's so flippin' clear. I am, what? Even the like actual waterfall, the rapid, is a lot more calm and more still. So beautiful.
See ya.
Where are you going? Are we live?
Live.
Look! Like what? This is so beautiful!
And freezing. And it is deep, guys. Like, I can't even tell you how deep this thing is, but you know, one day we're going to swim in it.
Yeah, when it's warm.
I mean, does it ever get warm?
I'm bringing everyone in January, I've decided.
Even me. But for now, wine! For the lady. Bottoms up.
Hectic.
There we go.
It's a lot of wine.
Well, that's a strong pull. Driving, so a little bit less. No, Bradley said it. Bradley said it.
Having fun?
I've had a bit too much wine. I haven't even stood up yet.
You're so cute.
So I'm going to crawl over there. Because if I don't, it'll be in the pool.
All of that. Sunburn? Am I weird, guys? People talk to the cameras all the time, right? Good morning, beautiful people. It is Sunday. I've not filmed all week, which is probably the reason why this vlog is about a week late and probably why I skipped a week. Speaking for future me over here, so I apologize for that. Honestly, I've just been feeling drained. Also, this is me. Welcome my undone hair. It is a bit of a mess, but today we're going out to... Oh girl, actually, that's a horse nation. Let's start here. This week's actually been quite a tough one for me. I have felt quite drained, to be honest. Like I've said in previous vlogs, I'm an extrovert of note, so not being able to go out or see people, I had the chance to recharge. I recharge with people, so not having a ton of people to see or even places to go to, like we've said before, it's like 2 hours to drive into like the next closest small town, and we can't make that drive every time because that's 2 hours there, 2 hours back. It's a lot. Obviously all my friends are not here, and if that sounds weird, it's like, am I crazy? I'm not crazy, I'm just an extrovert. I think getting older, I'm like realizing how much of an extrovert I am, and if I'm becoming more of an extrovert, or if I've always loved people, and I love being with people, but wow, I've really been drained, mate. Anyway, so yeah, we are gonna head out just now. That'll be really nice, getting out of the house. Really excited about that, really excited to just get some energy back, feel more alive. I'm excited for my sister to be here, excited to spend time with both my sister and my husband and my parents. Like, I don't know, for me the more the merrier. This chicken, are you okay? Yeah, cool, let's go. Hey baby.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I look like a mess.
You don't. No, you look very cute. Also, that looks so good, the background. You're welcome.
Yes, it does. Looks wonderful.
Wonderful, darling.
Got my coffee.
Coffee. I took his Starbucks cup.
Got a tea.
Who?
My booty.
That's me.
It is you.
It's me, babes.
It is.
Look at that. That's the cow's carcass over there. And those are all vouchers. They are back. Hey beautiful people, we're at the Stonehouse kitchen. Don't want to get it wrong. I'm just having lunch with my parents, me and Sethi. Yeah, just spending time together. The plan was to go and fetch my sister. Unfortunately, she missed her flight, so we just spent the day in Underberg and Heimville, and so now we're having lunch and then we'll head back home. So yeah, a nice easy Sunday. I'm having lemonade, they are having hot chocolate. It's just nice easy vibes, a nice beautiful Sunday. So yeah, gonna do that. Wonderful. Yeah. They were so nice. Where are we going?
Actually amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
Oh. We're just cold now. Let's go get warm.
Cold. Very cold.
Hi, Desi.
Hi.
Thank you. Every day is chicken content day. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Monday and these little chicks are basically biting at my ankles. Guys, because they want food. My mother went to the doctor today, early this morning, so chicken feeding is on me today. And clearly they're just like, listen ma'am, where's our food at? It's the morning. So let's do the things. Are you guys ready? Good. Alright, let's eat. How much do they eat? I don't even know. I don't know how much they eat. Is that enough? Look at this guy trying to eat my feet. He's wearing shoes this time. It's Tuesday. My sister's here, so that's a goodie. Later we're gonna go to the rapids, aka the cool pools. But for now, the chickens are having more issues. Specifically Mandarin, once again, as per usual. So let me see if I can help him out. They're also trying to eat at my feet as if they didn't have a whole full breakfast. Yeah, let me help Mandarin out and then... Are you alright? Oh, okay. Hey, we are near the cool pools, which is where we usually hang. Holy crap. There are baboons. Oh my goodness. Is this safe? Can you see the baboons, guys?
Hello, mate.
You know what makes me think of is the Hunger Games.
Oh yeah.
When they go
When
mad.
they run down a massive mountain like that.
Yes, a mountain just like that.
Feeling a bit unsafe. In danger.
In danger. Back to our original spot. Because we're not trying to die or fight over a scone with a baboon. Hi sister.
Hi Timbo.
How you doing?
Good and you.
Good. You're back.
By popular demand.
Excuse us. Your skin is glowing, girl.
Came through things.
Dang.
Sun-kissed. So heavy that time. My trip was grand. Zanzibar was lovely. Chilling with the Maasais.
Cool.
I was jumping. 100. Pula. Money talks. Yes, walk. Hello, Lesotho.
What are we doing here,
We
darling?
are locals now. We are at the border. We're trying to get to Lesotho through Sunny Pass, which is like the most dangerous way.
Oh, dangerous. Hey guys.
Yes. We are family. As Basutu. We're going home.
Yeah.
Basutu land.
For an hour.
Yes. Yes. We are looking for
Because
our
the sun's
chief,
going down?
King.
And we were late.
Chief.
But we're here.
We're trying to get some land, but we just want to pick a boo first.
It's still during the day, but it looks very late in the evening.
Yeah.
Sun is very far.
Now we're going to the Lesotho side.
Yes. So this is the
No Man's
South
Land,
African side. We're going to go through no man's land for 45 minutes and then get to Lesotho.
Yes, and it's a bit of a mission with my Vax because AidShunn didn't download it before we got to the border. And there's no network here. So we're going to hope for network up there and then download it. And then hopefully I can show them, here's my Vax. So there you go.
Bye.
Let's go see. Yeah. Holding on tight. That's gravel. Is it even gravel?
It's rocks.
These rocks. A lot. Oh. Are you choosing? We're in no man's land. Just wanted to take a few pictures, and now we're gonna try to go to the pub because we've got like not a lot of time. So let's do this. Yo, was that not a drive and a half? I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you. But it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. We are driving on rocks, guys. When I say it's not even gravel, it's rocks. It's just rocks. But we made it to the top. Honestly, that was an experience I was in. I'm very happy. Wow, okay. Let's go explore because this is beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see the snow then, Kimmy? Oh wow, it's actually... Oh, cute! Oh, no ways! Look! Wow!
My gosh.
That's so beautiful. That's the border there. That's the Lesotho's border. Hello!
Khotsong from Lesotho. We walked in by foot.
Yeah, by
We
accident.
didn't even know we were here.
We didn't know. Someone had to come and collect us
Yeah, customs came.
and say, and said, listen, folks.
We are in Lesotho now.
And he spoke a whole other deep.
We heard nothing.
We heard nothing.
I heard 100. If any of you know what that means, help.
happy?
It's happy.
I see you see us. What was he saying? Honestly, me, I was seeing by his hand signals.
Yeah, to say.
Because he said, I heard passport.
Yeah.
And he went stamp. And then he said, then you must.
Hi guys, we are at the highest pub in Africa. So we're just chilling, so we actually need to leave. We literally have like 2 minutes. Then we must go, because we don't want to go down that mountain in the dark.
Yes. We are in Lesotho.
We are.
But then it forms part of what? Who are you part of?
Europe.
Oh, Euro.
Yeah.
And it's a country of its own.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's an island.
Okay.
Cool, we are heading back now. A very short trip, but definitely worth it. Honestly, I'm so sorry. I know this sound is probably terrible, as it usually is. But yeah, honestly, just the drive was amazing. So being able to come to the bar has been lovely, like a nice addition. But yeah, let me show you this beautiful background. It's really stunning.
What are we doing now, Ceci?
We're leaving Lesotho. So we're
Sad days.
going to get our passport stamped again. There was really no need, it's just a day visit.
It's like 15 minutes.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is the next day. It is Thursday and we are headed back to Pretoria. It's gonna definitely be an 8-hour drive, but we are prepared. So I look crusty. We're trying to early mornings, do the things, get to Pretoria while the sun is still up. So yeah, so we're gonna pack the car now and then we're gonna head out. Hi Sadie.
Say hello.
How are you?
Sad that we're leaving Loteni.
Yeah,
It's been amazing.
it's been such a goodie.
It's so beautiful. I mean, like now, like it's like frozen on the ground.
Yeah.
But yet later today it'll be like 22 degrees and just beautiful.
And still cold, but hot at the same time.
Yeah, hot in the sun, cold in the shade.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been lovely. Thank you for being here with us on the journey, everybody.
Yeah, thank you for coming.
Thank you for
through.
recording it as well, Dimps.
Welcome.
You're the best, dude. And I'm just gonna go and attend to my husband duties of packing cars.
Let's say bye to them.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you for coming through, guys. We will see you soon. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. It's nice and shiny and red. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. That will always help me with the algorithm. And then please hit the notification bell and that will let you know when I post it each week.
And if your gogo hasn't seen this video, send it to her.
Send it to her.
She'll love it.
Please. Okay, guys, bye.
My dearest chickens, Mandarin, see you soon. Bye. Is that Snow White? I don't think so. There's Goldie. Bye, Goldie. Bye, other rooster. Bye, other 2 Goldies.